To factory reset and format the Samsung A14, the recommended way is to start any settings. Then we're going to scroll to the very bottom and select General Management. Then scroll all the way down and select the reset option. And we want to use the factory data reset in here. The reason why this is better than option 2, which is the hard reset, is because with this option, it will also erase your Google account. Hard reset won't, and so you will have to re-enter your Google account after the factory reset if we do solution 2, so you wouldn't be able to sell the phone. But through settings, tap reset, and then you can sell your phone. So the hard reset, if you do want to do this, the first step is you have to connect the phone to your computer or Android. This is mandatory. You can thank Samsung for that. Now we will do a key combination. So prepare your phone. I will begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume down. Keep these two held down for 10 seconds. Start counting. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume down. Now press and hold power and volume up. And keep these two held down until you see the Samsung logo appear for a full second. So you saw that flash, ignore the flash, keep on holding, and we'll patiently wait for the Samsung logo. It's appeared for a second, now release. If this didn't work, your cable doesn't support data transfer, so use another cable. Sometimes you also have to swap out the port in your computer or just try an Android phone. So in recovery, we'll use volume down and up to navigate. So navigate to wipe data, and again it does mention the Google thing I said earlier, and then click the power to select. Then click volume down and click the power button to factory reset. You'll be brought to this screen, then click power to reboot your system.